All right, so it is 5 o'clock on the dot.
Yeah, we gotta get to go.
And I'm heading to the gym. My typical day starts at about 4:50. That's when the alarm goes off. All right, so just finished up the workout for the day. I'm gonna run over to a meeting, do a little quick networking session, and keep on pushing through the day. Make sure that we're pushing each other the right way. A little after 7, catch up with the girls. It'll be nice to see them before they get ready for school. So that's my time to hang out with them in the morning and get ready for the workday. Right now we're out here at Nexton checking out the Del Webb community. So I met with Ronnie earlier this morning. We're out here, we're gonna meet with the sales director and check out some of these model homes. You can target so specifically the people that you want your information to be in front of. We run an ad from our Somerville page and it looks very generic in nature. And somebody clicks on that ad and it's a picture of a house and it says, if you'd like to see more info, hey, click on this link. But we don't stop there. The next step is 30 minutes later, that person gets a video talking about buying real estate and how the process works. You know, all of the good activity that I do, it's all when I'm out of the office, face to face with people, hanging out with them and working side by side with them. Hey, Happy Valentine's Day. You're on my video log, my vlog.
Ask Chris what kind of mother-in-law you have.
I have a really good mother-in-law. She spoils me. This town is so small. We've been going all day since I think 4:30, and this is the first time I've sat down to actually do real work. Alright guys, so it's just after 5:30, wrapped up my day, did my final tasks, sent out my final emails, sent out a couple pre-approvals in the last hour, so it was a great business day for me. Had a lot of fun. I'm excited to have brought you along on a day in the life of Chris Gonzalez to see what it's all about. If you like this video, drop a comment and let me know. Catch you soon.